open the garage, use the habitation key and twist the knobs as shown. Make sure the garage door is securely closed and locked prior to driving. The electric hookup cable will attach into the pin outlet as shown at the side of your motorhome. The plastic surrounding the connection will only allow one-way insertion. To remove the hookup cable, simply pull out as shown. Your gas locker is unlocked using the habitation key. It will contain a gas canister, pigtails and tools. To turn the gas on, twist the canister nozzle fully anti-clockwise. To turn the gas off, twist the gas nozzle fully clockwise. To remove the gas canister, use the wrench to loosen the nozzle and remove the canister as shown. To reattach a new canister, set the pigtail in straight as shown and tighten the nozzle using the tools to lock it up. Please remember to always turn your gas off before driving.